We're now at home, and our foods now. Look at my husband. He got burger.
Yeah.
Burger.
Proper dixy burger.
French fries. Burger and French fries for him. Yeah.
Thank you, Dixie.
Wow.
Dixie chicken.
Wow. Really delicious.
This is why I no longer have McDonald's.
And as for me, guys, I only have like this. Look, this is mine. That's my food. So yeah, that's it now. Gonna try this one.
Thanks to the council, this is why I no longer recycle.
Hey, do not say that one. They might hear that one. I don't wanna cut it. Remember, they are follower. They are follower of mine.
Sorry, council.
My God. I love chicken.